Got door handle scratches? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First things first, we got to decontaminate with our clay bar and clay luber. Spray it up and start gliding left and right. Now, just wipe off the residue. Before we begin polishing, first we got to mask off the trim. So we're going to do the door handle and the window trim. Now it's time to cut the scratches. So we got our Torque X, our orange cutting pad, and our C4 compound. We're going to add 5 drops, blot it out, spread it out, and start cutting. All right, guys, now that we're done cutting, we're going to wipe off the product to inspect our result. Now that we're done cutting, now it's time to refine. So we're going to take off this orange pad, and we're going to replace it with the white polishing pad. Same thing, grab the P4 polish, add 5 drops. We're going to spread it out, then work it in. All right, guys, now that we're all done, all we have to do is wipe off the residue, take off the masking tape, and show you guys the final results. And that's how easy it is to get rid of door handle scratches. So stop putting it off. Get rid of your scratches today.